This is Chongqing East Station, and no, it's not an airport, it's not a shopping mall, it's not a sci-fi movie set. It's a train station, a brand new high-speed mega hub sprawling across more than 1.2 million square meters with tree-shaped pillars, glass skylights and a roof that looks like it could launch into orbit. Meanwhile, in Trump's twisted, toxic, turbulent, truth-averse wasteland of America, they've got overpriced healthcare, slinging paranoia and reality TV politics dressed up as governance. The only thing growing faster than inequality is the national debt. And their train stations, well, they look like this.